Number 20. Dog.
It sleeps for about 10.6 hours per day.
Number 19. Jaguar.
It sleeps for about 10.8 hours per day.
Number 18. Duck.
It sleeps for about 10.9 hours per day.
Number 17. Rabbit.
It sleeps for about 11.4 hours per day.
Number 16. Cheetah.
It sleeps for about 12 hours per day.
Number 15. Mouse.
It sleeps for about 12.1 hours per day.
Number 14. Cat.
It sleeps for about 12.1 hours per day.
Number 13. Rat.
It sleeps for about 12.6 hours per day.
Number 12. Lion.
It sleeps for about 13.5 hours per day.
Number 11. Platypus.
It sleeps for about 14 hours per day.
Number 10. Golden hamster.
It sleeps for about 14.3 hours per day.
Number 9. Ferret.
It sleeps for about 14.5 hours per day.
Number 8. Squirrel.
It sleeps for about 14.9 hours per day.
Number 7. Tree shrew.
It sleeps for about 15.8 hours per day.
Number 6. Tiger.
It sleeps for about 15.8 hours per day.
Number 5. Owl monkey.
It sleeps for about 17 hours per day.
Number 4. Python.
It sleeps for about 18 hours per day.
Number 3. Giant armadillo.
It sleeps for about 18.1 hours per day.
Number 2. Little brown bat.
It sleeps for about 19.9 hours per day.
Number 1. Koala.
It sleeps for about 22 hours per day.